why we create such of pilot EarthClimate, because as we know, the world population increasing each year. Mostly people move to big cities where air quality and urban heat island issue is very interesting, and this is the problem in the big cities. Mostly we see this phenomenon in development countries, so that's why we decide to create such of pilot. And what we have here, if going about our main objectives, we create 3 services. The first one is database of Sentinel-5P products for the beginning for 25 selected regions of interest in the Europe, which monitor air quality in these areas. The second one is a database of Sentinel-3 products, also for the same region of interest in the Europe. And here we have one product, urban heat monitoring islands. And the last one is the Copernicus atmospheric monitoring service data, when we facilitate access to reuse of weather, pollution, allergens from this service, and also the air quality. What is the functionality of service? The first one is air quality monitoring. Here we have seven services for aerosol, methane, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, formaldehyde, ozone, and sulfur dioxide. Later, of course, I will show you the demo of EarthClimate, how it looks like, and how we can operate all of these services. The second one, as I said, is urban heat map. This is the data, this is the information from the Sentinel-3 about the surface temperature of the ground, updated on the regular basis, and also we have historical data. Of course, we can back for the beginning of monitoring of Sentinel-3 satellite. And the last one, as I said, this is the weather and allergens, and this database of Copernicus CAMS models. Also, we have in this third weather and allergens, we have also forecast for it. Service functionality, what we have here, we can choose any data range. This is, I think, the main advantage of satellite images, because we can back many years to historical data and check what is the air quality, what is the problem with urban heat islands, with these monitoring areas. Also, we have possibility to create reports in PDF format, the ability to review information from 1 pixel from 13 variables. I mean 7 for air quality, 1 for urban heat island, and 5 for weather and allergens. And as you see, we can, as you see on the picture, we can create such diagrams like here. We can choose any data range as we want. And the last one is the possibility to review information from pixel in the following formats. So I mean SVG, PNG, like a simple image, and CSV, like I don't know, we can download the numerical data where we can open, for example, in Excel. If going about, because now we are finishing our products, our services, and we are combining all of it in each one. So our pilot also is connecting with EarthSignature platform. And mostly in EarthClimate, we will use the information from land use and land cover for it. And in the future, we are also planning to interactive connection between EarthClimate service and EarthSignature. Directly, I mean selecting the specific data from different type of land cover and land use. So we can choose. We can choose, as we see on bottom, one type of land use, land cover class. Here I choose, for example, 111. So I mean these urban areas, and only from this area we can choose information for 1 pixel. How it's look like on this type land use class. What is the sources data of our pilot? Mainly we using the Copernicus Open Access Hub to download Sentinel-3 and Sentinel-5 data air quality urban heat islands. Copernicus and EarthSignature, we using the information about land cover and land use from Corinne service, and from for atmosphere monitoring service from Copernicus. We use a numerical prognosis model for this weather allergens product. And also we want to use from the Polish government in situ data to increase our accuracy of our information. So that's why what is the innovation and technology development? As I said, we have few data sources, so we want to combine it and create better quality as we have from the raw data, satellite data from Earth observation data. And additionally, we want to increase our accuracy by adding the in situ station what we have in such of areas of interest. So how does it look like? And also, as we know, this is international workshop also. So we are planning to extend our services for outside of European Union, because now this is the pilot, and now we have only in the Europe these regions of interest, as I said, 25. And later we're planning if going about the test areas to spread for the South America, Asia, and Africa. And if going about the presentation, I think that's all. We can skip to the presentation of demo. But I think I need to show you all screen. Wait a second. Yeah, okay. So how it's look like? The beginning, maybe I will open it again. . Yes, but of course, yeah, okay. So when you will be logged, you will see the first screen of login or sign up to the platform, but as I think my computer remember my login, so he skipped this part, and it skipped this part and goes to the main panel. So as you see, these are here we have these areas, regions of interest, what we decide to choose for the beginning. So as I said, 25 areas in Europe, and at the beginning we need to select one of it. For the example, we can choose Milano. I think that the date range we can short only for a few days, working quicker. Yeah, okay. And what's going on if we choose last week on this year? Of course, we can choose these cities by the clicking on the map, or by click in this table on upper right side. Yeah, and as I said, we have 3 services here: air quality, urban heat map, and weather and allergens. Now we can focus on our air quality monitoring. 7 services here is also. Of course, we see the newest information here from the last day. If going about this map and this background, yeah. But when we will choose one of it, one pixel, it will show us on the bottom information about all of these phenomena, what we have. We can view table, we can download here these formats as I mentioned in the presentation. Also here we can download this PDF report. Yes, and also we just another pixel. Here we have other types of data. If going about the urban heat map island, here we have information about Celsius temperature 2 meters above the ground. And of course, on the bottom, we also see that one table if going about the temperature in these days, what we choose. And here we have this weather and allergens forecast. Here we have 5 products. Maybe, for example, we can choose PM 2.5. So to see what is the status of it. And as I said, here I choose very quickly the short data range. Of course, we can choose longer. We can skip back to few years before, of course, as we want. Here we can have option to land cover classification. but this is still in the part of progress. I hope so. In the next few weeks, we will have this option available. And yes, and if going about the quick, briefly presentation of demo, that's all.